The lower guard keeps the blade covered when the saw is not in use, both to keep you safe and prevent damage to the blade. The guard can be damaged if the saw is dropped or if something falls on it. It may also crack or break after years of normal use. Replacing the lower guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade cover. Next, I'll remove the inner blade guard. Next, I'll remove the blade. And the inner blade flange. Now remove the lower guard. The guard's secured with a large retaining ring. With the guard removed, now I can remove the guard spring. Now I can install the new guard. I'll thread the guard spring through the guard so that the large bell end is near the hub. I'll place the guard back over the hub and reinstall the spring into the housing. And now I can secure the guard with the retaining ring. Next, I'll reinstall the inner blade guard. And now I'll reinstall the blade. First the inner blade flange, then the blade, the outer flange, and the blade screw. And that's how easy it is to install a new lower guard on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.